Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to do a hard reset on Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So let's do it. So to do this you will need to push these two buttons until you will see Samsung rebooting on your screen, and then remove your fingers and press for 2 times only this button. So let's do it. So push together these two buttons, keep pushing, keep pushing. Now press for 2 times only this button. And this is a service menu, and here you will need to press this button until you will reach recovery. And this is the recovery, I hope you see. And now to access the recovery, push it long on this button, wait for a few seconds. And this is the recovery menu. Now with the other button you will need to go until you will see Wipe Data Factory Reset, and this is Wipe Data Factory Reset, and to enter press the top button, and now again the other button, press to Factory Data Reset, and to access press again the top button. Now it's wiping data. And to reboot the system, now press again the top button, and now you will need to wait until your watch will restart. And now I'm back, and all that you need to do is to connect your watch to your phone and do the initial setup. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.